Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device by using the system settings on the watch. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. If you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Okay, so let's continue with the reset. First thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper or the lower button on the watch, like this. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and on this panel you should see the settings icon. Tap on it to enter the settings. Now scroll down, find the option called System and tap on it, and here scroll down and find the option called Reset to Default. Tap on it to select it, then scroll down, find the check mark at the bottom and tap on it to confirm and start the resetting process. So let's tap on it, and now let's wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, this means that the factory reset is complete. Okay, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.